Visions presents ecosystem solutions called Flux System. Flux, powering medical modalities for the new era of solutions in the healthcare industry with flexibility, durability, scalability, simplicity. Flux Systems empowers medical imaging equipment for video recording, editing, reviewing, distributing, studying, comparing video requirements in the healthcare industry to become primary requirements whether you are a doctor, consultant, research industry within the healthcare, or university. This can be only possible by showing your techniques and practices to your audience and/or for further case studies. Bringing so many people in your operation theater is not possible. This is where Flux Systems helps to deliver your expertise to other places, whether you are within the premises or anywhere outside the building. Flux Family. The only solution to take you beyond your boundaries and deliver your needs. Advantages? Flux Series provides full management in one-point access of all your needs, images, video, patient data from any modalities, and brings the information visually for your research and case studies in a new shape of forms. New features. Flux Server. The Flux Server helps all the video and audio streams to come through the Flux systems. All the modules of Flux get their input and output through the Flux Server. It also has functionality to make duplicate the input or outputs as per the customer needs. The Flux Server can connect with another Flux Server outside the boundary of your local network to extend the functionality. Flux Accent. Single or multiple live camera streams of the operation theater, as well as modality-connected machines for imaging purposes, can broadcast the stream to the Flux Server, allowing every end user who is connected to Flux Server to access camera zooming, recording, converting in Diacom for further studies, and send to any network pieces around the premise. Flux Prism connects modalities for existing imaging machines without adding any additional hardware, using software over Windows or Mac from your existing imaging solution, converting it into IP technology and delivering it to the Flux Server. Flux Current provides you the functionality to view the live operations, edit recorded video, and play them as per your view as well as in the Diacom viewer. Add the functionality to help doctors and consultants to view the documents in detail. There is an option for interactive communication with the operation theater as well. You can export the documents too. Interactive voice enables the audience to communicate back and forth while the operation is being performed, allowing for questions and comments in real time. Flux Current Plus. Live operation from anywhere, in the hospital to auditorium or research centers, allows for further case studies along with many features, layouts, comparisons within each patient results to other live or recorded content. Additional features. You can view the patient's data in Diacom Viewer inside Flux Current. The Flux Current is completely connected with the Flux Server, which streams the video on both sides. Interactive voice enables the audience to communicate back and forth while the operation is being performed, allowing for questions and comments in real time. Flux Current provides flexibility of view for the audience in many different ways. The layout can be selected or changed in real time for conferences as per the ad hoc requirements. We do have picture-in-picture function as well, to help the presenter to view the related video or images on any screen. Flux Studio. Part of Flux Current, it conducts the interview from outside the premises to connect with the Flux systems using desktop or mobile. Flux Studio connects with social media and can stream your study over YouTube and Facebook per the new era, and also has presentation functionality. Whether you are a doctor or consultant, identity of organization can be recorded along with the logo and names through Flux Studio, and it connects with the Flux Current through the Flux Server. Interview or conference in function allow worldwide participants to connect with the Flux Server and makes it possible to share ideas and learn from the studies beyond the boundary. Flux Matrix. It helps the screen to switch from one source to another source within the Flux Server, from Flux Current to Flux Current Plus. The idea is to give the user power of selection both in layout and style for ease of comfort. Whether you are a doctor, consultant, or audience, You can select one operation room live video to another live video, or one result to another result for further extension of your studies. Flux Cloud helps outside consultants to see all the available DICOM formats, images, and videos, along with patient data. And they can comment, talk, and share their thoughts over the clouds from any part of the world. Flux Packs provides the functionality of centralized access of all the medical standard archive data, images, video, and patient details. It sends and receives the information from all the modalities through the Flux ERA system and stores it all on the DICOM viewer, while the Flux systems are connected to Flux Packs. Flux Connector. No more physical hardware required. To connect, the Video Flux Connector provides the solution quickly. To stream on any Windows or Mac desktop by just installing the small application. It can stream the desktop even when you select the available video source directly from that system to stream over the Flux server for the audience to see the extended view of patient information and visualize. One Flux accent can manage up to 10 Flux connectors on one screen of Flux Current Plus layout. Flux Systems is user-friendly and simple to operate for the end user for the healthcare industry. In short, Flux Systems, using the latest technology, is a completely scalable solution for the end customer throughout the medical image end requirements. So install the Flux system today to get your medical practice live.